Hey Stitch Cutie, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Julie.
And together we're the mother-daughter duo of Stitches of Love. Woo! Welcome to episode
38.
Woo! Again. So,
It's a crazy day
It's
in Stitches of Love land.
busy. Everybody is packing and shipping as fast as possible. Oh my goodness. Aren't you proud of everybody?
I am.
Like
we have
little
such a
nimble
great team
fingers.
here. Yeah.
I know. Everybody's awesome.
Yep.
So this week is Hedgie Week. Almost said Gnome Week. I think that was last week or the week before. I don't know. We have the wrong quilt hanging behind us. But if you visit stitchquilting.com and click on the Hedgies, you'll see the quilt we're talking about. We're really tired today.
It's been a day. Let me just tell you.
It's been a good day, just a busy day.
busy.
Like nothing
day.
bad, just all good.
No.
Yeah. So, few fun updates of what we have in store for you this week. Well, first off, if you didn't see the live yesterday, go back and watch the recording because it's a really fun behind the scenes, almost like a chit chat as well, of your design process, which I know everyone loved.
I even talked about a garbage truck, so what can I say?
We did end it with a garbage truck. But the garbage, like the big dumpster that we have, the truck that comes in and gets
Don't
it.
do it again.
Okay. It's fun to watch. So also today is our chit chat, and then tomorrow, Wednesday, this is actually our second try recording this. It's not better.
Stop.
Tomorrow is a live tutorial of the ruler.
We should stop.
We're gonna keep going. So I want to go home. So tomorrow, Wednesday, is a live tutorial with the Hedgies ruler.
Me, I'm going to do that.
Ding, ding, ding.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon at 4 p.m. live on Facebook. Of course, the recording will be available on Facebook and YouTube. And then Thursday is the machine embroidery tutorial with me about the Hedgies. And then Friday is the recap. And I know there's a bunch of you that still don't have your Hedgies boxes. Don't worry, we're shipping as fast as possible. And I promise, cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye, promise that you are going to be floored when you get your box because there's fun stuff in there. I think it's our best patterns we've ever written. We've included, oh my gosh, so many instructions. So, and then Libby's taking the instructions and making really cool diagrams with them and stuff. So it is going to be the absolute best box you've ever gotten. So it's worth the wait, I promise. But the first month is always the hardest month getting everything in line and shipped out on time. Because we have to make secondary spreadsheets to keep everything in track, and so all of that happens as we mail the first things.
Speaking of that, which makes me very happy, I forgot to tell you.
I don't know what this is going to be.
The background fabric of the Hedgies that Moda was having a hard time getting for us.
They auto shipped it.
Yes, we got it.
Yay.
Or it's coming Thursday.
We have everything set up for like our block of the months in advance on auto shipments. And so I was stalking it because it was supposed to ship Friday. So I guess if it comes tomorrow, it did ship Friday.
No, it comes Thursday. And it shipped yesterday.
Oh, and it was supposed to ship Friday, so it shipped yesterday. That's perfect. Thanks, Moda. Y'all are the best. I do love Moda Tom. Last time he came, I didn't get to hang out with him because I had to work and like write a pattern. Oh well, so thanks, Moda Tom.
He brought all the things that he would have brought if there was market, but there is no market.
Well, there's a virtual market.
Really?
Well, they emailed today about something about virtual market.
I didn't get it.
Oh, sorry, I deleted it. Oh no! Oh my god, I'm gonna get in trouble with my mask on. I gotta run away.
Virtual market is really almost more fun than regular market.
Well, I would say it's easier. I bet everyone that is like a vendor thinks
I
it's
can
easier.
find it if you deleted it.
I can go to my trash and forward it probably. Rose will let you in. Rose Reyes. It'll be okay.
Oh well, you guys.
I'll let you go to virtual market. I'll find the email. I'm gonna get in trouble. This is the beginning of the end for me, y'all.
I was so busy I hadn't looked at email.
Oh, there you go. Fun note about customer service. We are staying very current on the emails. I'm very proud of Steven, and then I've jumped in and helped some, and everyone's been all hands on deck. So the emails are totally up to date. If you emailed like today, you'll have an answer by the end of the day tomorrow. So very pleased with that. Our phone, however, was supposed to be fixed by Friday. It is still not, and currently it is Tuesday the 12th or 13th or something, and our phone is still not working. We are now on the second new phone. It does not work as well. It is my task to then call Apple Care because Verizon now says it's something about find my iPhone, won't let the phone register. It doesn't make any sense to me. If you own the phone and you own the phone number, make it turn on. Something about having to go on the old phone and do something. I don't know.
This is all news to me.
I don't like having to call 1-800 numbers. And Steven, after 3 hours on the phone yesterday, and then like on the phone every day with Verizon all of last week, he has now said he's done. Understandably.
And the Comcast guy screwed it up here so we can't have the phone here.
Yeah.
Hooked in the building, so.
Well, it's easier.
Even though we pay for that particular service. So it's just, guys,
we
it's
do
just
pay
been,
for 2 phones. It's weird that we don't have a phone.
We're trying very hard to get the people who know things to do things.
The whole reason we were switching phones was to make it easier because we're adding more people to answer the phone.
And it's not easier yet.
No. Oh well, it's 2020. What can you say? However, send us an email and we're very prompt. I'm very proud of the promptness of the emails currently.
I'm off the emails.
Mom's not allowed to email. She's got stuff to design for us.
I'm
you.
busy.
You're busy. You're not allowed. So, Mom, you don't do emails anymore, and you don't do. So every now and then you'll see an email, like Steven will call and ask you a question. So you probably get emails that says, Julie says, or Brittany says.
Yeah, well, I think they probably already were because I know he would ask me questions sometimes.
Oh yeah, so I guess that's not new. But sometimes you would answer emails before.
Yes, I did. Sometimes, yeah.
But no more emails for you.
Okay.
Just watch it live and that's how you talk to Mom. So again, this week watch yesterday's rewatch because it was super fun, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 4 p.m. each day we have something fun for you. And then next week we're going to tell you what it is on Friday. Or did we already tell them? I can't remember.
No, we didn't tell him this take.
Yeah, this is our second tape, so I don't know if we're telling you everything. We're trying to.
I don't think we did.
So next week is Sulky Week. So we're going to have a bunch of cool stuff. And we get to debut the Stitches of Love exclusive spool. Are you so excited about that?
I am, because I wanted that to help.
Do you feel like you've made it now in the quilting world because you have your own spool of thread?
No. No, it doesn't have my name on it.
Michelle, did you hear this? She watched it yesterday. She saw the Santas that you showed in the video yesterday, and she has to have it.
Oh, good.
So I told her when they're done being lasered, we'll mail her one.
Michelle is our sulky rep. Or
our sulky hero, I think, is the appropriate
she's
title.
The sulky hero. She makes everything happen, you guys.
And she puts up with us.
Yes. And she lives in the same neighborhood as The Rock.
I know.
And, well, anyway.
And that's it.
I can't talk to Michelle anymore unless I ask her how The Rock is.
Well, like this morning on the phone with her, it was so funny because when y'all talked about the wrecking of the car, though anytime I hear any news about The Rock, I think of Oprah and I think of Leanne and Michelle at Sulky.
Because we went to see Sulky.
And The Rock.
And at the same time as we went to Oprah's thing in Atlanta, where she had The Rock was the speaker.
So we saw Oprah, The Rock, and Sulky all at the same time.
That was our last event prior to COVID.
I was going to say that was January of this year. And like looking back, there were like thousands, it was like the whole State Farm Arena was filled. And now I don't think I could ever go in there again. I'd be terrified. Of a crowd?
Oh, and yeah, it was so good though. It was fun.
It was fun.
It was very organized. It was very nice.
And the same food that we ate for lunch that day, I had for lunch today. No one cares about that, but true story. The Mediterranean veggie sandwich from Panera.
This child apparently didn't get any sleep last night.
I'm exhausted.
I know that I didn't.
Yes, Sunday night and Monday night I didn't sleep because when we're behind at all on orders, I cannot sleep.
Hello.
It really bugs me.
Yeah.
I know. But everybody's packing as fast as they can. And I don't want to say, no, you can't buy anything.
And I'm still, you know,
Because then you'll be mad that you didn't have it because you want it.
yeah. And I worry about things like right now we're still waiting on the orange spotted fabric
For the Boo Crew.
And Moda, they don't have it yet.
Yeah, there's nothing Moda can do. There's nothing we can do.
We can't do anything about that. And then there's a lady who purchased a sewing machine, and she's still waiting for a sewing machine, which was supposed to be August, and then it was supposed to be the beginning of October. Now it's the middle, and we still don't have it. So we worry about things because we want everybody to have stuff as much as you want to have your stuff. So anyway,
Yeah.
it's sleepless in Tallahassee.
Instead of sleepless in Seattle, sleepless in Tallahassee.
Sleepless in Tallahassee.
But we're still trucking through and getting all the orders out, staying on top of things. So things are good. And you're getting to focus on designing new fun stuff.
Yes, I have lots of things in the works.
So if you want any previews of that, go back and rewatch yesterday's Chit Chat because that was fun. It wasn't a Chit Chat. It was a Facebook Live kicking off Hedgie's week. But you know me and Mom, we just talk and talk and talk like we're doing now.
It was kind of like a chit chat.
We can't help but chit chat.
We're chatterboxes.
Except today I'm exhausted.
It's actually been kind of quiet around here.
It was really quiet because everyone, like,
I stayed away from her.
Well, it was a writing day for me, so I have to stay focused, or else that's when you end up with embroidery file instructions that say make a gnome quilt and it's a Boo Crew quilt. You know, I cannot multitask at all.
No.
I really can't.
No.
It's pathetic.
I used to be in the medical offices. Sometimes it was always crazy, but I've actually been known to talk on two phones at the same time.
I don't know how to do that. Like, I truly...
You can do it if you
lately,
have to.
I can't even have, like, music on. Even, like, my Italian dinner party playlist that I like to listen to. Seriously, ask your Alexa to play you the Italian dinner party playlist. It's fantastic. So a lot of times I listen to that when I'm writing. I can't even have that on anymore.
There's so many things I could say, but I'm not gonna. So what I'm gonna say is goodbye, everybody. We hope that you've had a great Tuesday or
Whatever day you're watching this.
And happy Hedgie Week, even though
A YouTube quilt was behind.
was behind
That's
us.
indicative of how we feel today. We're
Today's
talking about
just like-
hedgies with the wrong quilt behind us.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.